From this factory in Dowlice near Merthyr, which employs 100 people working here and 150 working at home, sprang the biggest haberdashery sensation of 1972. Literally hundreds of thousands of the one product were sold all over the United Kingdom. The product? Badges. Big ones, fat ones, little ones, slim ones, oblong ones, triangular ones, green ones, blue ones. They're all here in their thousands. I asked Mr. Tom Adler, the Managing Director of Welsh Products Limited, just how extensive was the range.
We carry about 4,500 items in the range in 15-pound volumes, similar to this one. They range from small animals, flowers, zodiac designs, to the more humorous with it items, military badges, peace signs, and so on. At the peak of the season, we sold about 2 million a month. Now they're selling at about 750,000 a month.
What sort of person buys them?
It varies from the teenager to the home dressmaker. This is the main bulk of the market, the home dressmaker, hand knitters, and so on. People who want to embellish clothes, towels, and so on.
I know you've got blanket distribution all over the United Kingdom, but have you sold any abroad, or have you had any orders from abroad?
Oh yes, indeed. From both sides of the Iron Curtain, from the Caribbean, from Africa, various parts of the world.
Where do the badges actually come from, then?
They come from the eastern seaboard of the United States.
You've got a fantastic range, but which is the best seller out of all of them?
Yes, it's this little green frog here, which sells at a steady rate of about 25 to 30,000 a month.
I know it's a difficult question out of the tremendous range you've got, but do you have a personal favourite?
Well, yes, I have. It's this one here. I think it speaks volumes to anyone who's involved in the fashion accessories fields, such as I am.